So what I have in front of me is the Aki 30,000 milliamp hour Type-C power bank. So the reason I like this power bank so much is because it has a balance between portability and how much juice it could hold. So that's why it's really good that it could hold 30,000 milliamp hours and still be not heavy. So as we unbox, you see the power bank and you're pulling out two user manuals right here. And here is just a look at them. And the power bank is not too big, but not the smallest thing. It fits in a pocket bag, a backpack. That's a pretty nice design. There's a power button on the top and then the Aki logo. And as you can see, you have a USB Type-C, a micro USB, two USB ports, and a flashlight. So as you can see on the back, it says 30,000 milliamp hours and also has some other information if you want to look at that. And the design feels pretty nice. It's not too heavy and it's also portable. And as you see, if you could hold the power button, the flashlight will begin to turn on, as you see right here. It is not the brightest flashlight, but it works when you need to get the job done. So as you can see in these shots. So that was my review, and I will see you in the next one.